Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday English Learning. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Whether you're just starting to learn English or practicing to get better, you're in the right place. I'll be teaching you simple and clear English in a fun and easy way. So don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll take it slow and you'll improve little by little. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new lessons. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to tell you a motivational story. It's a story about a little girl named Lily. She has a big dream, and through her journey, she learns important lessons. This story is not only about learning English, but also about believing in yourself. Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily lived in a small village. She was kind, happy, and always curious. But there was something special about Lily. She had a big dream. Lily wanted to become an artist. She loved to draw. Every day, she would sit by the window and draw pictures of the world outside. She would draw flowers, trees, birds, and the sun. Her dream was simple: to paint beautiful pictures for everyone to see. Now, let's think about dreams. What is your dream? Do you have a dream? We can all have big dreams, just like Lily. One day, Lily decided to show her drawings to the people in her village. She was excited, but also nervous. What if they don't like my pictures? She thought. What if they laugh at me? Lily was scared, but she knew she had to try. She showed her drawings to the first person she met, a kind old woman.
These pictures are beautiful, Lily. But I think you can do better. Keep practicing, and one day you will be very good.
The old woman was kind, but she didn't say Lily's drawings were perfect. She said, "Keep practicing. This is a very important lesson. We don't become great at something overnight. We need to practice. Practice helps us get better every day." Lily continued to draw every day, but sometimes her drawings didn't look like she wanted. Sometimes they looked messy or wrong. Lily felt sad. One day, Lily went to the park to sit on a bench. A man walked by and saw her drawing.
Why do you look so sad, Lily?
Because my drawing is not good, I can't do it.
That's okay. No one is perfect at first. Look at the trees. Do you see the leaves? Every leaf is different. Some are small, some are big, but every leaf is beautiful. The trees don't worry about being perfect. They just grow.
Wow, the man gave Lily a great lesson. He said, "The trees don't worry about being perfect. They just grow." This means that we don't need to be perfect. We need to keep going, keep growing, and keep learning. Mistakes are part of the process. Lily took the man's advice to heart. She continued to practice every day. She didn't worry about being perfect. Slowly, she got better. Her drawings became brighter, more colorful, and more beautiful. Lily started to believe in herself. She felt proud of the progress she was making. One day, she decided to have an art show in the village. She put all her drawings on display for everyone to see. People came from all over the village to see her work. Now, here's an important idea. Lily didn't give up. She believed in herself, and she kept practicing. It's not always easy, but with time, we can improve. Everyone can grow if they keep trying. The art show was a success. People loved Lily's paintings. Some people even bought her drawings to hang in their homes. Lily was happy, but she knew one thing for sure. She didn't become an artist because she was perfect. She became an artist because she never gave up. Lily's story shows us that dreams are possible if we believe in ourselves and keep working hard. Success doesn't happen quickly, but with patience and practice, we can achieve our dreams. And that's the story of little Lily. What did we learn? We learned that it's important to have a dream, but also important to practice and never give up. Even when we make mistakes, we should keep going. Like the trees in the park, we can grow every day, little by little. No one is perfect, and that's okay. Now, I want to ask you a question. What is your dream? What is something you want to do? Maybe it's learning English, or maybe it's something else. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Keep practicing, and you will improve. Thank you for watching today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and had fun practicing with me. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every little step counts. Keep practicing, and don't forget, mistakes are just part of learning. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep learning together. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself.